Okay, loves, this video is all about pink inspiration. So I wanted to jump on and show you the living room in pink, just in case someone's interested in using pink in their living room. You could know how to decorate with pink and white. So what I have over here really quickly is I actually took the arrangement off of my dining room table and added to this vase. The picks actually came from Joann's Fabric. The vase came from Home Goods. And my accent cabinet here came from At Home. My chair came from Pier 1, the throw from Home Goods, as well as the pillow. And this mirror came from Z Gallery. The lamps, if you notice, I did do a switcheroo with the lamps. These lamps were actually in my master bedroom, and I did a switcheroo. These lamps came from Tuesday Morning, and if you notice here, I have a little bunny hanging from the lamp. Let me turn the light off so you can see it. Yeah, there's the little bunny. The bunny actually came from Bath and Body Works, and I think they were like $4.95 a piece. They're super, super cute, and I just hung them on the lampshade. The lotus that you see on my nesting table came from Home Goods. The nesting tables came from Z Gallery. Now these pillows was an awesome find from Z Gallery. I think I paid about 38 bucks for this particular pillow here. And this is just a pillow cover. I paid like 12 bucks for 2 pillow covers. And I don't know if you guys remember the corduroy fabric. That's what this is, and I love it. It's super, super cute. I think I paid like 12 or 14 bucks for 2. So I have the other one over on that side. And this particular pillow here came from Home Goods. It may have been around 19 bucks or so. And then this little rug also came from Home Goods. And I have whatever I have going on this side, I also have going on that side. So these drapes actually came from Amazon, and I'll leave the link below to the drapes. The shears also came from Amazon. The picture that I have on the wall here came from Home Goods. And my big ginger jar came from Home Goods. The white one came from Tuesday Morning. The silver from Home Goods. And the other white one came from Bed Bath & Beyond. On to the coffee table. My coffee table came from Rooms to Go. The bunnies from Z Gallery. The pink tulips came from Home Goods. The vases / candle holders came from Z Gallery. The eggs came from Z Gallery. The Happy Easter candle came from Home Goods. The pink boxes came from Z Gallery, and I got an awesome deal for those. They were like 50% off plus an additional 20, and these are so cute. When I saw these, I'm like, yes. So yeah, these are really, really pretty. I don't have anything in them, but yeah, I like these, and they flow perfectly well with the pink decor that's going on. So the rug, my area rug here came from Home Goods. But you can get your hands on this on Wayfair. I'll leave the link below just in case someone is interested. And my pendant light is actually a pendant light. I was gifted that from a company on Instagram. I'll leave the link below to that as well. It's really, really nice. So you can actually set this chandelier to dim, but I don't have it set to dim. But I like it better with the lights off. But here it is with the lights on. And here it is with the lights off. Super, super cute. So that pretty much sums up this video. I hope you guys are enjoying your day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.